Whiteboard video for educational pods.
Did you know? Your children's education is paramount to their future. Their education determines their success in life.
The educational system is having a problem with the COVID-19 pandemic. The solution is social distancing through educational pods. The best practice social distancing is through educational pods, in the home. The ideal way to get across to your educational pod is to create whiteboard videos and share them within different pods to share the time of making the lesson that can always be followed and used. Your educational pod uses different methods to educate for all fields of study. This education is from the sciences to the arts and everything in between. You can create whiteboard videos for all your lessons and share them with other educational pods. Other educational pods can therefore share their whiteboard lessons with your pod. This will become a more effective and lasting form of delivering knowledge and education to your children. The whiteboard lessons will be available for everyone now and in the future for the Educational Pod Collective. The whiteboard pod lessons can be uploaded to YouTube and delivered to all the educational pod members and pod collective. Your children can learn from whiteboard videos anywhere at any time and get their education. Your children's learning in the educational pod is presented in a safe and compelling way. This method will deliver knowledge verbally and visually for better memory retention with association. Contact Ivor Fernandez for more information on whiteboard educational videos for your educational pod. Make contact by email and explain your situation. The email is ifernandez.mobile@gmail.com.